Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick and useful topic, finding the IP address on your iPhone. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity issues or just curious about your device's network details, knowing your IP address can be handy. So let's jump right in. And first things first, unlock your iPhone and head over to the home screen. We are going to locate the IP address in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Find and tap on the Settings app. It's that familiar gear icon that we all know and love. Go ahead and give it a tap. Next, we want to navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the Wi-Fi option in the list and tap on it. This is where you manage all your wireless network connections. And step 3 is connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you are not, go ahead and connect to one by selecting it from the available networks and entering the password if necessary. So Wi-Fi, I turn it on and then it automatically connects. Okay, and once you're connected, you will see an eye icon next to the Wi-Fi network's name. Tap on that icon. It stands for information. And now you scroll down. And here it is, the magic number. Your IP address is displayed right here under the IP address section. It's a series of numbers separated by dots. That's your unique identifier on the network. And there you have it. That's how you find the IP address on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and maybe you can let me know in the comments if there's a specific topic you would like me to cover next. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.